The Home Department of Punjab, under the supervision of Chief Minister of Punjab, has imposed Section 144 in the entirety of the province. Yes, in the context of the upcoming Muharram of 2026, and more particularly from 1st Muharram to 10th Muharram, from June 17th to June 26th, this Section 144 would remain in effect in the entirety of the province, in the entirety of the Punjab. And in this particular context, various categories of activities have also been banned. To maintain the law and order situation of the province Punjab, to ensure the public safety and tranquility, and ultimately to deter or prevent any possibility or potentiality of a sectarian violence, the administrative and enforcement agencies have already been instructed and deployed in the entirety of the province. And in this particular context, the notification most notably says that any procession or any assemblage that is not officially authorized would be prohibited or ultimately restricted to pursue their procession routes during Ashura or during these first 10 days of Muharram. Under Section 144, the display of weapons and explosives in the public spaces without prior authentication or a proper approval from the relevant official authorities would be strictly prohibited in these particular 10 days of Muharram, and moreover, pillion riding would be outrightly banned on 9th and 10th of Muharram, with particular and special exemptions for women, elderly man and security personnel. Last but not least, the houses that are situated or located in the procession routes would not be allowed to set any kind of observation points or stone stores even on the rooftops, so to ensure the ultimate public safety and tranquility. So to once again reiterate the fact that Section 144 would remain effective in the entirety of the Punjab in these initial 10 days of Muharram, and the enforcement agencies have already been deployed to take action and to ensure its full implementation. Thank you.